Welcome to episode 3 of Zhongxin Equipment Tour. Today we will introduce the core equipment in the tower processing, the fully automatic transverse sewing machine. Our transverse sewing machine is designed for high-speed mass production. It can steadily finish 6 to 12 finished pieces per minute. Fully automatic operation removes the need for workers to repeatedly position and hold fabrics. This machine supports flexible customized processes. We can precisely configure 4 label styles, including single label, parallel label, overlapping label, and hook label, based on customers' order requirements. It fits all kinds of production plans without equipment replacement, suitable for processing towels, napkins, flags, and other textiles. One operator can handle 3 to 4 machines. It can run continuously for 1,200 pieces without needing to change the shuttle. Even during continuous operation, it maintains high-quality output, helping factories achieve intelligent mass production. This intelligent transverse sewing machine features multi-function, high productivity, and low loss, ideal for all types of textile factories. Welcome to visit our factory for inspection and cooperation.